not me.
My God.
Nice.
Back as a CW
With the
presents.
flash, dude. The flash.
Let's get in there.
Nash, speak up, baby.
Yeah, they're about to start the movie. Let's get in there.
Oh my God. First AD,
Hey,
man.
Oh my God, dude. I sent it to him. He says yes.
What's your name again? Do you mind being on? Are you an actress?
Yeah, actress, writer. No, I'm not.
Actress, writer?
Yeah, I
Really?
love like writing,
So if
directing.
you could write your own part,
editing.
what would it be?
I'm writing a web series right now. It's pretty funny.
Can you give us like a little
It's
something?
about like 2 hours. I can take your tickets for you if you want.
Hello.
Yes, hello. Come on in.
Thanks.
Come on in. Hi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm actually an intern working here. I was wondering if you guys needed anything.
I don't know. Lauren might know next door. Okay. I think I'm fairly new, so I have no idea.
Okay, so you guys are okay. You guys don't need any trash bags or anything. You guys
I'm okay up here at the moment. Yeah. Cool. Thank you.
Hello. Yes, I just feel like I asked for questions, so I just want to complete the circle really quick.
Yeah, it's cool. It's about like 2 child actresses gone adult, and they are having kind of a hard time. 3 people.
Yes,
please.
Cool. Hard time acclimating and go to this spiritual, super weird hippie school on accident.
Yeah.
And,
Wow.
thank you. Havoc ensues.
Consus. That's a unique word.
Ensues.
Ensues. Oh.
Yeah.
Is it the restrooms?
Restrooms are on the other door. Down the
Okay,
hall.
you remember me. Think overalls.
There you go.
There's only one. So I'm gonna be.
Perfect. Tickets, lady?
What?
Do you have an online ticket? Yeah. Okay. Next door, Lauren will trade out your online ticket for a blue ticket.
Ah, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Interesting story indeed.
Ticket.
Ticket. Noted.
I don't know what we do with. There's a ticket for her somewhere.
Yeah.
Somebody else
has my ticket.
Got it. I heard that happened to a couple people. I don't know. I just know that you need this one to get through these doors.
Oh, there's a list. You just get the blue ticket up front. Yeah.
There's a list next door as well. So if you go inside,
I'll go
Lauren
in.
has your
I'll
name.
snag a seat. Yeah.
Oh, I'll take your ticket back.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you have your hands full. Thank you.
Thank you.